Today we're upgrading our plant game with the help of our new plant saucers. They're made out of diatomite, which does great with water absorption. They dry quick and are built with a design that has a drip tray to help catch and hold your water till it absorbs. And they come shipped to your door, ready to catch your water and protect your house too. Inside the box, we have a sandpaper circle to clean your saucers, as well as silicone pads to protect your furniture. Then the saucers come in really unique packaging. It catches your eye and is clearly eco-friendly, so it's a win-win. Inside that, you have a larger and smaller saucer. They're stylish and have a nice feel to them. To get started, all you have to do is apply the silicone pads, set down the saucer, and place your plant. Now when you water your plant, any spilled water will be collected in the drip tray and then slowly dissipates until it's dry. As you can see, our old drip tray is dirty and a bit of an eyesore. Now we have an elegant and unique option to catch our spilled water. We don't have to dump the water as it dries so quickly, and this is a huge relief. Not only that, but the saucers help prevent root rot. The carved texture of the saucers improve the bottom of the pot's airflow. This speeds up the absorption of the excess water and keeps your plants healthy. The saucers are eco-friendly and really get the job done. I mean, just look at how quickly they dry. That's too awesome. So if you're looking to help your plants and home with an eco-friendly option, these plant saucers might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go water my plant. See ya!